Hello everyone, welcome back to our crochet basic series. In the last video we have learned how to make the half double crochet stitches. So in this video we are going to learn how to make the double crochet stitches. So let's begin. So here we have our properties, the yarn and the crochet hook. I have already made 14 chains as our foundation stitch. So let's begin. For the double crochet stitches we need 3 chains as the turning chain. So before adding the turning chain, like if you get confused with the turning chains, we can mark our last stitch by using a stitch marker. So just mark the last stitch so you will not get confused while coming back to the last stitch. So we can add turning chains 1, 2 and 3. So this is our turning chain. So we can start our double crochet from this chain where we marked our stitch mark. So for starting the double crochet we need to yarn over, then we need to insert our hook into this chain. So just remove the stitch mark and you can insert your hook into this specific chain. Okay, now we have 3 loops on your hook, then yarn over, pull up the loop. So you have 3 loops, then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Okay, then yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. So this is our double crochet. So we can do again, yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, then yarn over, pull the loop, then yarn over, pull the loop, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through second loop. We will do once more, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop. So now we have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. So we will complete double crochet all over these stitches. So we have completed our first row of the double crochet. So now we can start the second row. So for starting second row we need to add 3 more chains as our turning chain. So we will make 3 more chains, 1, 2 and 3. So we have our 3 turning chains. Then turn the work. So we will start working our double crochet from this chain onwards. So let's start the second row. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the loop. So you have 3 hooks on the 3 loops on your hook, then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have made our first double crochet. Then yarn over, insert the hook, then yarn over, pull the loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through second. see here we have finished our 2 rows of double crochet stitches. So this is a closer look, and this is a half double crochet stitch which we made in last video, and this is our single crochet row. So you can see this is the single crochet, and this is half double crochet, and this is half double crochet which we made today. So this 3 of them are the same number of stitch and same number of rows. Like this is 14 stitches with 2 rows. This is also 14 stitch and 2 row, and this is also 14 stitch with 2 rows. But you can see the difference. The single crochet is the shortest one, and the double crochet is the tallest among these 3. Because it's taller, like your project will grow much more faster. But the different stitches create different textures, so each one has its own purpose. In today's video we learn how to make the double crochet stitches. So in the next video we will learn how to make the triple crochet stitches. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting.